Unlocking the energy in English. Understanding. Let's go, team. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very common and energetic phrase. Let's go, team. This phrase is packed with enthusiasm and is often used in a variety of settings. So, let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Let's go, team, is a phrase that combines encouragement and team spirit. It's commonly used in sports and group activities to motivate and energize the team. The word, let's, is a contraction of let us, which is an invitation or suggestion to do something together. Go implies action or movement forward, and team refers to a group of people working together. So, when you put it all together, let's go, team, is like saying, together, we can move forward and succeed. This phrase is not just limited to sports. You can hear it in business meetings, group projects, and even in casual gatherings where teamwork is involved. It's a way to express solidarity and motivation. For instance, before starting a group project, someone might say, let's go, team, to express enthusiasm and readiness to start working together. There are several variations of this phrase that you might encounter. For example, let's do this, team, emphasizes the action aspect. Go team is a shorter version, focusing on cheering for the team. Team, let's move, emphasizes the need for immediate action. Understanding these variations will help you better grasp the context in which they are used. Let's go, team, is a versatile and spirited phrase that adds energy and unity to any group effort. We hope this video has helped you understand its meaning and usage. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the feelings and intentions behind them. So, next time you're in a group setting, don't hesitate to use this phrase to boost morale and teamwork. See you in our next lesson.